Okay, here's a short video on reminding you how to connect the graph of f prime to f and f double prime. This is all in your notes. AB in particular, we did this a ton, so I would go back and grab some of this. But let's say that you're given a graph of f prime. What can you tell about f? So maybe you want to copy this down, pause it, whatever. But here are the big things. So put like notes down here and then we'll go back up to the picture. So here's our big stuff. When the derivative of f crosses the x-axis, that means the derivative will be going from positive to negative or maybe negative to positive. If the derivative goes from positive to negative, f has a max. If the derivative goes from negative to positive, f has a min. If the derivative touches but does not cross the x-axis, f has a horizontal tangent line, which would not be a max or a min. It would just be a flat spot, a spot where maybe we have a point of inflection or something like that, but we have a horizontal tangent line that's not a max or a min. Okay, that's the easy part. Then when f prime is increasing, so now when my derivative is increasing, f is going to be concave up. That means the slope of f is changing at an increasing rate. That means the second derivative is positive, so therefore f is concave up. When f prime is decreasing, f is concave down. So what happens when f prime has a max or a min, or when f prime changes from going up to going down, or increasing to decreasing, or when f prime changes from decreasing to increasing? F is going to have a point of inflection. So if we use that information and you feel like you internalize it, go up to the graph and what's going on. So like if this is a graph of f prime, what's happening at -3 on f? Well, the derivative's changing from negative to positive. So f is going to have, my dog's gonna growl, f is going to have a min because the derivative's changing from negative to positive. How about here when the derivative is 0? Nothing is really happening. F's going to have a horizontal tangent line. What's happening at this 0? Well, the derivative's changing from positive to negative. So at this spot, f is going to have a max. Now we go with the maxes and mins of f prime. So when f prime has a max up here, f is going to have a point of inflection. In fact, POI. In fact, f is going to change from, since this is going from increasing to decreasing, f will change from concave up to concave down. Here, f is also going to have a point of inflection, POI, because the derivative changed from decreasing to increasing, or has a min. Here, again, f is going to have a point of inflection. So that's just a really short recap on how that works, but go back and try. So in the original set of problems, everything's a little crazy here, but these questions, 80, 76, 85, 87, and 91 were all questions that were like this, connecting f prime to f. In the new set that I assigned today, problems, I labeled them with a big F to make, to mark that they were about making conclusions, drawing conclusions from f prime to f. So go ahead and try them. Hopefully it goes well.